I'm paddling here is a Current Designs Karla LV. There are 3 kayaks in the Danish-style family of boats from Current Designs. There is the Prana, there is the Sisu, and there is the Karla. The Karla is the shortest and most playful of the 3. The Karla measures 15 feet 3 inches long, and it's 21 and a half inches wide. And it's got a lot of rocker, and it's got a full volume bow as well, and it is a lot of fun in the surf. The LV in Karla LV denotes low volume. Each of the models are available in the standard regular volume or a low volume. And what happens with the low volume is the deck is trimmed back an extra 3/4 of an inch all the way around. So that yields a boat that is lower volume overall, but perhaps most importantly, it's snugger in the cockpit area. So for lightweight guys like me with skinny legs, it just gives us a better fit and a better connection to the kayak in the low volume version. I think that Karla does a really good job of hitting that balance between a boat that works very well in dynamic, sporty conditions and yet is still fun and engaging to paddle on flat water. Some of the really dedicated playboats just kind of feel dead when you're not in big, gnarly conditions. The Karla remains fun and entertaining. It's got enough glide. It moves along well. It's fun to maneuver, whether it's flat or gnarly, and that's a bit of a trick.
Exactly it, yes!